Hello everyone, my name is Jake Jesty and I co-own Sound Evolution with my brother Jesh Jesty. We have been open since 2017. My primary duties include sales, posting on social media, system design, managing builds, and the installation bay to ensure all projects go smoothly and are completed in a timely manner. My favorite thing about working at Sound Evolution is using my passion for car audio in our day-to-day projects and being creative and helping the master fabricators come up with some cool ideas. One of my strong points is managing stress and coming up with solutions to solve problems within the installation bay. Not every project goes as planned, and my ability to adapt with the given scenarios helps my team execute the task and move on to the next job.
Hello everybody, my name is Jesh Jesty and I'm with Sound Evolution here in Houston, Texas. I co-own this establishment with my brother Jake. We have been at this current location since 2017. My primary duties include helping out with the sales floor, social media marketing, accounting, ordering parts, managing dealership accounts, and also ordering merch for the store. One of my favorite things working at Sound Evolution is to see what our guys come up with creatively for our clients and bringing their vision to reality, whether it is for an extreme build that's going to be displayed at the show floors of SEMA or just speaker adapters that we'll be utilizing on our day-to-day installs. It is great seeing the guys using the latest tools and gadgets we purchased to execute a project with great fit and finish. I think one of the unique talents I bring to the table is the ability to spot an idea or notice the latest trend and then implement that to be ahead of the competition and utilize it in our day-to-day operations.
My name is James Bradley and I've been working at Sound Evolution for 2 years. My responsibilities in the shop are to service Interlock device customers as well as assist my coworkers with installations. I enjoy working at Sound Evolution because we use innovative products and techniques to deliver quality results.
Hi, my name is Chase Bojan. I've been a part of Sound Evolution now for 2 years. My main role here is shop lead. In addition to shop lead, I also fabricate and tune. What I enjoy most about being here is everyone's open attitude to new methods and ideas.
Sound Evolution is open 6 days a week, and our hours of operation is Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. For our customers that choose to wait while their vehicles are being worked on, we have a waiting area with comfortable seating, drinks, Wi-Fi, and a television usually streaming the latest movies or TV shows on Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, or Amazon Prime. All our installations are covered by our lifetime labor warranty, and the parts purchased from us vary from a 1-year to 3-year warranty depending on the manufacturer. Our walk-in customers are always greeted by someone from our team and assured that they will be attended to by someone very soon. The customers are welcomed at our store with a greeting like this in person: "Welcome to Sound Evolution. How may I help you?" Or, "Someone will be shortly with you." Some of the unique services we offer, other than our quality installation followed with great customer service and professionalism, is that we take it a step further and offer complete detailed service after the project is completed. We offer a white glove demonstration and walkthrough of the vehicle and thoroughly go over the newly added products and features to the customer. After every installation is performed, the technicians are required to clean their workstations and vehicle area and prep for the next client. We also have housekeeping coming in weekly to keep the common areas clean and always presentable for our clients and staff. Maintenance and servicing of our shop equipment and HVAC system is performed by licensed and authorized vendors regularly to keep the flow going within the workspace. We always encourage our team to go to training courses offered by our vendors like MSE America, Alpine, Dow Electronics, and First Tech. We also attend trade shows and conferences like Knowledge Fest, MasterTech Expo, SEMA, and CES. We also encourage our team in sales and technicians to get certified through the MECP platform. This ensures them to be updated on the new installation practices that are an industry standard and help improve performance, efficiency, and profitability to better the retail location. Once the certification is completed by the team member, they are reimbursed for the test, and also depending on the level of certification, an increase in pay is offered. If you notice our wall from the video that was submitted last year, there has been a significant increase in certification. Management throughout the year attends trainings offered by the team at MSE America and Dow Technologies to better perform in the internal operations of the business. We heavily rely on social media marketing to improve sales at the store. We use several platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and try to stay ahead of the trends and in some cases set the trends. Our annual Black Friday sale is always a hit, and our customers do take advantage of it, as most of the brands and vendors we offer rarely offer product discounts. This allows us to cycle some inventory and make room for new and improved products. Using our Square point of sale system, customer retention has been a breeze, as it keeps all our customers' information handy, and to the customers that have opted for email communication and marketing, they are regularly informed about our sale and new product offerings. Like mentioned in the video earlier, we do attend a lot of events hosted within the industry, but along with those, we also host and sponsor several events in our community in the Houston and surrounding areas. These include events hosted by Houston Diesel and toy drives hosted by our friends at Next Up Off-Road. Some of the awards Sound Evolution has received were the MEA Customer Choice Award in 2022, as well as the Top 12 Retailers for 2022 and 2023. We have also been recognized as a top dealer for MSE America, Dow Technologies, and SoundShield. For starters, we noticed that we were behind the curve in the automation side of the industry. We started with the expansion to house the new laser machine and 3D printers that were ordered. We added 1,500 square feet that used to be a mechanic shop, gutted the existing space and installed brand new epoxy flooring, knocked a portion of the wall that was connected to our existing space, and repainted walls, installed new fixtures and bathroom amenities, added air conditioning and heating, and completed the build out with brand new LED lighting. Also added a computer with ample headroom for upgrades to control the future automation needs. The addition of the automation has definitely improved build quality along with fit and finish. It also has made our team more efficient when making basic speaker adapters to complex custom fabrication. We believe we should be considered to win this award, as first, we noticed that there is a need for improvement and acted upon it to better ourselves. While this is only a portion of the improvement, we still have more in store and a lot to learn from our peers in this industry. We use a combination of Facebook groups and Instagram to promote our business. We make several posts daily and are shared to their respective groups on Facebook for maximum local reach. We post anything from our latest installation to any of our new product releases from various vendors. Using social media has definitely given us an edge over the competition in showcasing our quality installations, as well as when our customers get on said posts and support and second our commitment to the industry. We made several changes this year to the pattern of posting as the algorithms have changed. If we do not adapt to these changes, we will fall behind and will take a significant time frame to recover to our previous reach online. We have also upgraded our security on our pages and implemented two-step authentication and watermarking on all our social media platforms, as we have noticed an increase in scammers and hackers in the industry with our peers. I believe Sound Evolution should win this award, as we are proud to say that we have gotten all our following and reaches organically. Not a single dollar was spent in ads, and not that the ads are a bad thing. We will be using that in the future to get an increased reach in our market, but what we have done without ads we believe is a remarkable achievement, and the sky is the limit once we start using all the tools to improve our online presence.
Our team at Sound Evolution would love to thank y'all for the opportunity, and thank you for considering us for the Retailer of the Year and the Performance Award categories, Most Improved Store and Best Online Presence. We thank you, and we will see y'all in Vegas.